Good morning. Hi guys, it's your girl Lovecassandraolivia back with yet another video. I'm actually shooting this video in my salon before my 10 o'clock client gets here. It is now 9:16. So yeah, let's get right into this video. So I had this client actually come in yesterday. She found me off of Instagram, I believe, and she saw this haircut that I did and she just wanted a longer version. A little bit of background about her because I did just meet her yesterday. She has a long length of hair, but her hair is very damaged because she goes to the Dominican salon about twice a month or once a week, she was telling me. So her hair is just super straight, so her curl pattern is kind of destroyed. So she just came in for me to give her a haircut, not a hair trim, y'all, because I know people be bugging out when I take more than like 2 inches off. But she's actually coming to get a cut. So because she booked an express service, the clients do come already washed and pretty much blow dry, but she has a ton of hair, so she opted to just come already washed. Her hair was really clean. I didn't have to go over it, so she's literally sitting in my chair and I'm just blowing her out. And I'm going to speed this up just because, I mean, you guys know how to blow dry already. There's tons of videos on this, so I'm just blowing her out as straight as possible so that way I can trim her hair or cut her hair, give her haircut. And actually, when we got done, I decided to press her hair just because I wanted to have a polished look for my video, and I asked to record her, and of course she was down for the ride. So yeah, that's why I kind of worked backwards in this video, just giving you a little bit of background. But her hair is super long, super gorgeous, so I have 100% confidence that we're going to be able to grow it back out nice and healthy. And yeah, this is how it looks before. Super cute. And now she's just showing me how she wants her hair to be styled. So she showed me this picture of like this long what's it called? I can't even think, elevated bob. So it's a little bit shorter in the back and longer towards the front. So I'm just sitting here describing what I'm getting ready to do. And yeah, we are getting ready to start this cut, honey. Whenever I'm doing haircuts, I do make sure to push my chair up to a height where it's comfortable for me. You don't want to cut hair slouching down. And the only time that you ever will see me cutting hair out of the camera is if somebody has really, really long hair. I will squat on my knees and cut the hair. But I do that just for my video so you guys can see. But if this was a video that I wasn't recording, that I would just cut her hair like normal. So I'm just throwing that out there in case you're like, well, you cut somebody's hair and you were on your knees. That's because I wanted y'all to be able to see it without my back being in the way. So here I am just taking the back. I always have my clients put their head down when I'm doing a bob. And this is how much we took off, guys. So now I'm spinning her around and just going to show you how I cut her hair. Whenever I do bobs, I tend to start them longer too, just so that gives me room to work up. So for instance, if she wanted her bob to be like a little bit above her shoulders, I actually would go past her shoulders just so that way it gives me room for error and to clean up any lines. If you start super short and you have to go in and fix anything, it's just going to get shorter and shorter, and this is where people mess up. So for me personally, when I cut hair, I always start longer than the length that they want, and then I go in and correct and fix all the little corners. So here you see me just using my clippers, and I'm just going in and really getting that line in there nice and sharp. And then I'm going to have her tilt her head to the side, move it to the other side, look down, look back. I want to make sure that this looks good from every angle, and there's not going to be any long straggly pieces underneath of her haircut, because she does have super thick hair. As you can see, it done turned into a whole different head of hair as soon as we cut it. Like, look how full her hair is. So I'm just going to show you guys this cut, and I'm going to come back and press her out and show you guys the end result. This is a super short video, but I was really feeling this haircut. She was feeling it. She done DM'd me last night talking about she loved it. Her sister's coming, so I'm super hyped. Look at that already. That's just the initial cut. Now I'm just going to go in and perfect it. So like I said, take your time when you're doing haircuts. Just make sure that everything is nice and even. It's laying. And then when I actually get done, I did take her cape off, only because the cape is black, her hair is black, so sometimes you can't really see. So I did take the cape off, and now I'm just taking my fingers and measuring the front and the sides, making sure that everything meets up in the same area, cleaning up what needs to be cleaned up one last time, putting her head down, checking the angles. And look at that, guys. Look how freaking bomb that is already. So yeah, this is how her bob came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. She loved it. I loved it. I'm going to slow it down towards the end just so you can see some movement. I should have actually had her stand and like spin around for me, but because I had a full book of clients, I didn't really have time to shoot a super long video, so I just wanted to go in and show you this cut. So as always, do not forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.